Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to earn USDT in Binance. So in order to do so, the first thing that you need to have is the Binance verified account. So if you haven't already created your account on Binance, then you can use my link down in the description box below. And if you create your account with that link, then you can get up to $100 worth of trading fee rebate. Now once you successfully created your account, or once you have successfully logged in into your account that you have created already, you just have to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here on this page, you are going to see the overview of the coins or the USDT that you have. So you will have to tap on spot in the top, and here you will be able to see the number of USDT that you own. Now over here, you need to make sure that your funding is in spot wallet. It should not be in funding or earn or any other options that are given on the top. So once your USDT in the spot, you will have to tap on USDT, and here you will be able to see the option of earn USDT APR up to 17.09%. So you need to tap on this option and it will redirect you on the next page where you can basically stake your USDT and you can earn USDT in return. So here you will have to again tap on USDT option, and now it will ask you how much amount of USDT you want to stake. So you can select it as maximum, or you can even enter the amount as per your convenience. Afterwards, you need to tap on the confirm button in the bottom, and this way your USDT will be on the stake and you are going to get 17.08% on that USDT, meaning that you are able to earn USDT with the help of your existing money. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.